Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews of the coolest gadgets and accessories. Today, we're diving into a must-have for all you gamers out there. It's the Slothoem wooden gaming headset stand. Now, if you're looking to upgrade your gaming setup or searching for the perfect gift, this is the video you don't want to miss. This gaming headset stand isn't just practical, it's a statement piece for any gamer's room. Crafted from natural wood with a unique burnt pattern, it's not only sturdy but adds a touch of rustic charm to your desk or gaming space. What makes this stand truly stand out, pun intended, is its versatility. Beyond holding your headset, it doubles as a multifunctional organizer. You can store your phone, tablet, pens, and even game controllers, keeping your gaming essentials neatly organized and within arm's reach. Handmade with precision, each stand is treated with organic natural oils to preserve its quality and texture. Whether you're into heavy-duty over-ear headphones or sleek gaming headsets, this stand accommodates them all while maintaining its elegant appeal. Now, let's talk about user experience. It's designed not just for aesthetics but also for practicality. The base's design ensures stability, preventing any accidental bumps or falls, perfect for those intense gaming sessions where focus is key. The Slothoem gaming headset stand isn't just a piece of decor. It's a game changer in organizing your gaming space. It makes a fantastic gift for gamers of all ages, whether you're surprising your son, boyfriend, or even treating yourself. So, if you're looking to level up your gaming setup or searching for that ideal gift, look no further. Click the link below to grab your own Slothoem gaming headset stand and transform your gaming space today. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest and greatest gadgets. Until next time, happy gaming!